All right. What steps should you take if your rental smells like weed? Like someone has a big bong in there after your guest checks out. What steps should you take? The marijuana is legal here in California. Is it legal? Is it legal in Texas yet? Arizona? It's got to be
Yeah,
legal where you are, Pat.
Not in
yeah, it is.
Florida, but it doesn't stop them.
Crystal, is it legal in Pennsylvania yet? No, not yet. Okay. All right. So what do you do? What steps should you take?
Ozone.
Yep.
Yep,
Ozone.
that's right. You
I
just
learned that on this.
good. You should run your ozone generator. Absolutely. So this
I
let's
read
do,
it on here when I heard about it on here, and now I run it between each.
good. Yep. Yep. I'm running it right now, or I ran one mine this morning. But there's some additional benefits I want to drive home for you. Um, it kills spiders, fleas, and
Right.
bed bugs.
Yep.
Now, what's the mechanism that is it that are they dying from?
Lack of
Last
oxygen.
year, I think.
Yeah, lack of oxygen. They're
Yeah.
suffocating. You
Right.
guys are killers. You guys are strangling the cockroaches.
Yes,
As all the O2 is being converted to O3,
We're,
so there's
com-
no O2 left.
we're serving the community, getting rid
Oh,
of
you killers, killers. Okay. Another benefit is it kills bacteria and viruses. But what's the mechanism? How does that ozone generator kill bacteria and viruses? This is all for you chem majors. It's a process called oxygenation. It
Oh, right.
oxidizes.
Of oxygen.
Oxidizer.
Yeah. So
if I'm
ozone,
correct, all germs and odors need oxygen to survive. So if you
yeah,
stop-
it attacks them. Just
Yeah.
like chlorine. You know, chlorine breaks up viruses and bacteria.
right.
Ozone has twice the power of chlorine
Wow.
in oxidizing it. Okay. So there's two. So Pat, when you're using that ozone generator, you're getting a lot of bang for your buck. It's really an effective thing to do.
It's a good idea to market
Before
it
you
up
go
there.
on, before you go past that, I want to have a question.
Okay, go ahead, Chris.
How are you addressing them from a safety standpoint? Because they do have issues, obviously. You obviously don't want to run them. You wouldn't want somebody to turn the thing on while there's a pet, or I guess these things will even kill house plants.
Yes.
I know I used one in a house, and when I would come in, I mean, it bothered me. I could tell what was going on, and it bothered me,
Yeah.
with my respiratory system.
Yeah,
I'm very sensitive to it.
because you're organic. It tears out anything organic. You have to. Ozone is a very unstable radical. It wants to be O2, but ozone is O3. So it is trying to break down. Takes it about 40 minutes to an hour to break down. You shouldn't even walk in until 2 hours.
Yep.
And no one should be occupied. And then we walk in 2 hours. You got to air the place out for.
Right.
So you can mechanically. It's got an off gas, so that means you got to blow it. You got to do some air exchanges. You can't just open the windows and there's no breeze. You got to air the place out. So those are some safety things. So it takes a little time, but the benefits of it, like I'm trying to get through to you,
Yeah.
you know that you have a virus-free, germ-free, and it leaves a nice scent afterwards when it's down. So
Okay,
Should
this
You
is,
know yet if these suckers have enough juice to knock out bed bugs?
yeah, it does, because bed bugs need oxygen.
I mean, I know bed bugs a lot of times in a place will crawl way back into the walls and whatever, and you do a lot of times heat treatments. I don't know if you get a penetration with this to.
If they can't go anywhere that ozone gas can't go. They're not smaller than the ozone. They're small, but if air can move into it, then
I would love to save a $4,000 bed bug treatment with a $100 ozone machine.
That's exactly right. That's why you should have one and run it each time.
Good idea to add that to your listing too, that you.
Yeah,
But-
add it to your listing. That's another way to differentiate yourself